A lot of students are curious on how to look up classes that fulfill general education requirements, whether they be skills, core, distribution, etc. Well, the easiest way to look up classes is of course going into Scots by clicking the Scots icon in your My Edinboro portal. Yours will look a little different as I'm an employee, but you will have a Student Services and Financial Aid tab. Navigate to that and then Registration. When you're under Registration, click Look Up Classes. The first thing you're going to need to do is select a term. For this purpose, we'll just say Fall 2020 and then Submit. Typically, students are familiar with selecting a topic and then doing a search by just pulling up all classes available for a certain subject. But what I want to show you is how to do something a little differently. Instead of just clicking a subject and search, just navigate to Advanced Search. Once you're on this page, you'll have a few additional tools at your disposal to be able to better look up classes. The first thing you want to do, let's say our example student is wanting to look up a Core 2 or a Core 3 general education course. What that student would want to do is highlight all subjects. To do this, you just click the first one with your mouse, scroll all the way to the bottom, click the Shift button, and then click your mouse again. This highlights all subjects. As you scroll down, you'll be able to filter out the results based on a few different attributes. Say if you're only interested in an internet course, you can select internet. The rest of these you can select attributes if you want, but you don't necessarily need to. Under the last where it says attribute type, if you scroll through, you'll see that all of the Gen Ed sections are listed. Well, since our student is looking for a Core 2 or a Core 3, you just click Core 2 and then the Control button and Core 3. This allows you to select two different options. If we wanted to do Core 2 and 4, you would do the same thing, Core 2, Control, Core 4. But we'll go back to Core 2 and 3, and then Section Search. This brings up a full comprehensive list of all Core 2 and Core 3 offerings that are being offered in the fall 2020. As you scroll through the list, you look over to the right-hand column where it says Attribute, and here's where you'll see what requirement it fulfills. As I said in the other video, many majors require specific courses for the Gen Eds. So along with using the advanced search function, be sure to consult with your faculty advisor as well as DegreeWorks to make sure the courses you're selecting will fulfill your general education requirements.